Most of the people I see on LinkedIn are downloading PDF from somewhere else and posting them. They think that recruiter will hire them, but they lack practical knowledge of their field. I carefully filter my knowledge, refine it, and present original content that adds true value for you. For any data analyst or data scientist, it's not just about building dashboards, but also about knowing which chart to use, when and why. This skill is the backbone of clear storytelling with data. In this series, I will break down every important charts in Power BI with simple real-life example. So you will never be confused again about chart selection. And yes, I have also prepared a detailed PDF guide where I have explained all these charts step by step. You can find the download link in the description. With more than 15 freelance data analytics projects successfully delivered, I know how critical the right visualization is for making data-driven business decisions. And through Highlist Analytics, my own firm, we provide one-step solution for startups, MSMEs, and enterprises. Powerful dashboards, KPI-driven insights, and automation that take your data to the next level. So let's begin our chart journey. Number 1, column chart. Do you know why analytics prefer column charts? Column chart shows data in vertical bars. Best when you want to compare categories side by side. Example, a grocery shop want to see weekly fruit sales. Apple, bananas, orange. The column chart instantly shows Saturday has the highest sale, Friday the lowest. Don't use it when you have too many categories. Bars will look cluttered. Use it for quick category comparison. Number 2, bar chart. Column and bar charts look similar, but bar charts are horizontal. They are best when your category names are long or when you have many items. Example, comparing population of 20 countries. Long country name fit easily in a bar chart. Don't use it for time series data, it looks backward horizontally. Use it for clear comparison across many categories. Number 3, line chart. Line chart is all about trends over time. Example, a company tracks monthly revenue for a year. The line chart shows growth or decline instantly. Don't use it for comparing too many categories. It gets messy. Use it when you want to see change over time, not static comparison. Number 4, pie chart. Pie chart shows proportion of a whole. Example, a shop sees sales here, apples 40%, bananas 35%, or orange 25%. Don't use it when you have more than 5 categories, it becomes confusing. Use it only when you want to show contribution of each part to the whole. Number 5, donut chart. Donut chart is like a pie chart, but with a hole in the center, best for showing proportions, and also space is center for highlighting totals. Example, total sales 1 lakh rupees. Center shows total. Slices shows category shares. Don't use it for detailed comparison. Use it when you want stylish visualization of contribution. Area chart. Area chart is like a line chart, but the area under the line is filled. Best for showing magnitudes of trend. Example, website traffic growth month by month. Area chart shows not just the trend but also the volume. Don't use it when you want exact value. Use it to highlight overall growth or decline visually. Number 7, stacked column chart. Stacked column chart shows not just total but also contribution of each category inside one bar. Example, monthly revenue split by product. Bar height shows total, color shows share of each product. Don't use it when you comparing individual parts precisely. Use it when you want to see both total and breakdown together. Number 8 आता है cluster column chart. Clustered column chart plays multiple categories side by side for direct comparison. Example, weekly sales of apple versus bananas versus orange side by side. Don't use it when you have 5+ categories, it gets crowded. Use it for comparing 2 to 3 categories across periods. Number 9, scatter chart. Scatter chart shows relation between two variables. Example, plotting students study hour versus exam score. You see how more hours connect with better marks. Don't use it for categories, use it for correlation and outliers. TreeMap. TreeMap shows data as rectangle size represents value. Example, company revenue by department, bigger box equal to higher revenue. Don't use it when you precise comparison is needed. Use it when you want quick insight into proportions. Waterfall charts explain step by step increase or decrease. Example, starting profit 1 lakh rupees, expenses, discount, taxes, final profit 60,000 rupees. Don't use it for unrelated data. Use it for financial breakdowns and step analysis. Number 12 आता है funnel chart. Funnel chart is perfect for stage of a process. Example, 1000 website visitor, 400 sign-ups, 200 purchase. Funnel shows where most people drop off. off. Don't use it for simple totals. Use it for process flows and conversions. Number 13, gauge chart. Gauge chart is like a speedometer, best for showing progress toward a target. Example, a sales team has a target of 1 lakh rupees. If sales are 75,000 rupees, the gauge needle shows 75% achieved. Don't use it for comparing multiple values side by side. Use it when you want to highlight performance versus target in a single metric. Card visual is the simplest but most powerful. It shows one key number clearly. Example, total revenue this month is 5,20,000 rupees. Just one big bold numbers on the screen. Don't use it for trends or breakdowns. Use it when you want to highlight a single KPI like total sales, total profit or number of customers. Number 15 आता है KPI Visuals. KPI Visuals take a card visuals one step further. It not only shows a number but also compares it against a target. Example, sales this month is 80,000 rupees versus target 1 lakh rupees. The KPI shows actual value, target and an indicator arrow for progress. Don't use it for detailed analysis. Use it when you want to track business goals at a glance. Combo charts combine column chart and line chart in one view. Example, a retail store want to compare monthly sales columns with profit margin percent line. This way you see both revenue and profitability together. Don't use it when you only have one metric. Use it when you need to see relationship between two different metrics, one as trend and one as categories. So we have explained the most important charts in Power BI, what they are, when to use them and when not to. If you master this, you will already be ahead of 80% of analysts who only build dashboards but don't understand the logic behind visual selection. The power of analyst doesn't come from just numbers but from presenting them the right way. To make it easier, I will prepare a detailed PDF guide where every chart is explained in depth. The link in the description below. Make sure you grab your copy. This is Himansh Upadhyay. Thank you for watching it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep insight into the world of data analytics.